Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious vanilla muffins without any eggs. We will explore simple and effective substitutions that ensure your muffins are perfectly moist and fluffy every time. You'll learn about common pantry ingredients like yogurt or applesauce that can easily replace eggs, and understand how each component contributes to the ideal texture and delightful flavor. Get ready to bake a batch of truly amazing, egg-free treats. First, combine your dry ingredients, such as 2 cups of self-rising flour and 1 cup of sugar, in a large bowl. In a separate bowl, whisk together your wet ingredients, like 1 cup of unsweetened vanilla almond milk, 1/2 cup of mild flavor olive oil, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Gently fold the wet into the dry until just combined, being careful not to overmix, which can lead to tough muffins. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Line a 12-hole muffin pan with paper cases. Fill each muffin liner about 2/3 full with your prepared batter. Bake for approximately 20 to 25 minutes. To check for doneness, insert a toothpick into the center of a muffin. It should come out clean or with a few moist crumbs attached, indicating they are perfectly baked. Once baked, let your muffins cool in the pan for a few minutes before transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. This helps prevent them from becoming soggy. Store them in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 3 days to maintain their freshness. Feel free to add 1/2 cup of blueberries or chocolate chips for a delightful variation next time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.